In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom field in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team or working on a project, having custom fields can tailor your Hubstaff experience to best meet your needs. Now, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to access the settings in your Hubstaff account. This is the control center for customizing your experience. Begin by navigating to the settings section. You can find this option in the menu where it is clearly marked to help you manage different configurations for your organization. As you explore the settings, you'll notice this is where you make modifications to ensure the platform aligns with how your team operates. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to move over to the members section. The members section is essentially the hub for your team. It's where you manage user permissions, roles, and now custom fields. It's crucial because you're now defining how each member's data is captured and utilized, which plays an important role in how information flows through your organization. Now it's time to create your custom field. For this, you'll see an option labeled Custom Field. Click on it to get started. A custom field in Hubstaff allows you to store specific data related to your team that might not fit into the default fields available. This could be anything from employee IDs, equipment allocations, to custom tracking details. The purpose is to define unique parameters that help you better manage your team according to your specific needs or the requirements of a particular project. When setting up a custom field, consider what information is crucial for the effective management of your organization. Think about what data will provide more insights into performance or improve workflow efficiencies. Custom fields are flexible, allowing you to define the type of information you wish to capture, so it seamlessly integrates into your team management process. As you name and define your custom field, remember to be clear and specific. An intuitive name helps users understand what information is being collected, reducing any confusion. After defining the field, you'll have options to set permissions on who can view or edit the information, ensuring data security and integrity across your team. Once everything is set up to your liking, save your changes. It's important to ensure that all the information you configured is correctly saved so that your custom field appears as intended. And that's it! You've successfully created a custom field in Hubstaff. This simple addition can vastly enhance how your team interacts with the Hubstaff platform, leading to more tailored data management and reporting capabilities that cater to your organization's unique needs. Remember, customizing your workspace can significantly affect